Hi everyone, and this is Joe in the factory and doing a test for the cantilver. The model size is 1250. This is the payoff in motorized for the good tension, the conductor and insulation wires. You can see this one. This is the random testing. You can check it. Testing the rotation and some details of the machining curve for 2 or 3 days. Continue to running to make sure the machining curve part is perfect before delivery. You can see this part. This is random testing. Each machine will do the test for the quality. I wish you enjoy these machines. This is preferred to use in the electrical power cable for multi-coils and house wire and the control wires, etc. and BV cable and BVR cables and the conductor